Hello friends, my name is Pratik and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to see that if you are using Google Pay application, then how can you add a debit or credit card in the application? I am going to guide the steps for it. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and without wasting any time, let's start the video. So to add debit or credit card in Google Pay application, you have to open the application first. Once you open the application completely, this is the kind of interface you can see on your mobile screen. And if you have to add any debit or credit card, you just have to tap on profile icon, which is at the right hand side top corner. So once you select profile icon, next page will appear, and on this page you can see there are multiple options. You can see your name, your mobile number, your UPI ID, the rewards you have earned, and you will get option of bank account and pay businesses and some other options. So if you want to add the card, you have to select the option of bank account. So next page will appear, and on this page you can see the accounts which are already linked in the application. So I have three bank account linked in Google Pay application, but I want to add a debit or credit card. So I will select the option of add credit or debit card. So pop-up message will appear on the screen. You just have to tap on proceed. So the next page will appear, and on this page you can do two things. So either you can click the image of a debit card or credit card in this area, or else you can enter the details manually. So for entering details manually, at the bottom you will get an option of enter details manually. So I'm going to enter the details manually. So I will select that option. So now on the next page, I have to enter the card number. So I will quickly enter the details and I'll proceed. After entering the card number, you have to enter the month and year of expiry and the CVC. So once you enter all the details manually very properly, so you have to read the terms and conditions if you want to, or else you can click on save. So now it is processing and you can read all these things, and at the bottom you will get an option of accept and continue. So I'll tap on it. So your bank will verify via OTP if it is really you that you are adding the card in the application. So you just have to select the option from mail or from text message. So you will receive an OTP. So if you select the option of text message, OTP will be received on your mobile number, or if you select the option of email ID, OTP will be sent to your email ID. So I have already selected text message option and I'll click on continue. So now you can see I have received the OTP, and on the screen you can see the message right now, and it is auto-filled. So what I'll do is now I'll simply click on submit. Now the debit card is added successfully. Here you can see the debit card which I have added right now. This is the debit card, and earlier it was only three bank account and add bank account option and add credit card or debit card option. So successfully we have added a debit card in Google Pay application. So these are the simple steps you have to follow if you want to add any debit card or any credit card in the application. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video informative. If you like the video, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.